The universe is 93 billion light-years wide. Let that sink in for a second. Not 93 million, not 93 billion miles, 93 billion light-years. And yet, somehow, that's not even the real size of everything that exists. Today, we're going to the one place human curiosity can never quite reach: the edge of the universe itself. And what we find there might be more unsettling than anything you've imagined. This is Cosmic Vault, where we unlock the universe's greatest secrets, one mystery at a time. If you've ever looked up at the night sky and felt that strange, quiet feeling of, how far does this actually go? You're exactly where you need to be. Let's open the vault. Here's where most people get it wrong from the very start. When you picture the edge of the universe, your brain probably imagines something like the edge of a pool, a wall, a boundary, maybe even a sign that says, "The end." But that's not how this works, not even close. What we actually see when we look into deep space isn't the edge of the universe at all. It's the edge of what we're able to see. And there's a huge difference between those two things. Light travels incredibly fast, but it isn't infinite. It moves at about 300,000 kilometers every single second. And the universe has only existed for around 13.8 billion years. So the light from anything further away than that simply hasn't had enough time to reach us yet. It's still on its way. Some of it will never arrive because space itself is stretching faster than that light can travel toward us. This means everything we can observe, every galaxy, every star, every photo the James Webb Telescope has ever captured, exists inside something scientists call the observable universe. And it has a radius of about 46 billion light-years in every direction. Not because that's where the universe stops, but because that's where our view stops. So what's out there past that limit? Here's where it gets strange. Almost every physicist agrees on one thing. There's almost certainly more universe beyond what we can see. Probably a lot more. Possibly infinitely more. But we will never, ever be able to observe it directly. Not with better telescopes. Not in 1,000 years. Not ever. Because the moment light from that region tries to reach us, the universe itself would have stretched too far, too fast for it to arrive. It's one of the strangest limitations in all of science. We're not blocked by distance. We're blocked by the actual expansion of reality itself. Now here's where things split into two possibilities, and both of them are hard to fully wrap your head around. The first possibility, the universe is infinite. Not just large, not just bigger than we can measure. Actually infinite, stretching forever in every direction, with no edge, no wall, no boundary of any kind. Just endless space, endless galaxies, endlessly repeating in every direction you could travel. If that's true, something even stranger follows. In an infinite universe, with a finite number of ways matter can arrange itself, patterns eventually have to repeat. Somewhere out there, unreachable and invisible to us, there could be another galaxy identical to the Milky Way, another star exactly like our Sun, maybe even another version of Earth. Not through some multiverse or parallel dimension, just through the raw, mathematical consequence of infinity. The second possibility is almost the opposite. The universe isn't infinite at all. It's finite, but it has no edge, because it curves back on itself. Imagine the surface of a sphere like the Earth. You can walk in one direction forever and you'll never hit a wall, but you're still on a finite surface. Some models of the universe suggest something similar, just in more dimensions than we can visually picture. Travel far enough in one direction, and you might eventually end up back where you started. Both of these ideas sound like science fiction, but they come directly from real, tested equations in general relativity. We just don't yet have a way to know which one actually describes our reality. And then there's a third idea, one that pushes even further into the unknown. What if our observable universe, this entire 46 billion light-year bubble we call everything, is just one bubble among countless others? Some versions of cosmic inflation theory suggest that after the Big Bang, space didn't just expand once. It kept spawning new, separate universes, each with their own laws of physics, their own constants, maybe even their own versions of space and time entirely. Our universe would just be one bubble, floating in something vastly larger. A multiverse we could never see, never touch, and never prove. At least, not with the tools we have today. So, which one is real? Infinite space repeating forever? A closed loop we could one day circle back through? Or a multiverse of separate bubbles we're forever sealed off from? Right now, nobody knows. Not for certain. And there's a real chance we may never know, because the very thing that lets us exist, the speed of light, the expansion of space, may be the same thing permanently hiding the answer from us. That's the strange, quiet horror hidden inside this question. It's not that the answer is scary. It's that the universe might be built in a way that guarantees we can never actually find out. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're not just looking at stars. You're looking at the very edge of what's knowable, a boundary drawn not by space, but by time and light itself. So is the universe infinite? Does it loop back on itself like a cosmic maze? Or are we sealed inside just one bubble out of countless others we'll never see? Nobody knows for certain, and that might be the most unsettling answer of all. Subscribe to Cosmic Vault, because next time we open another vault.